Welcome everybody, thanks for tuning in. Today we're going to install a headlight guard from a Honda CT125, which is a Trail 125 here to us in the States, on my 2019 Honda Monkey. This is a super easy process and we're going to go over it with a quick little video here highlighting the process and what you need to do. So I got this headlight cover from Bees Deals, which is a Japanese website that caters to Honda small bores and small bores in general, I guess. So I ordered it in, got it from Japan, and it's a pretty nice quality little part. Super simple. It's just a wire cover, as you can see here, that just bolts onto the side of the headlight housing. So what we're going to do is remove the screws or the bolts that hold on the headlight housing. As you can see, I have the man in the box side markers, so it looks a little bit different than yours if you're stock. So we just take the included hardware, and I used a different method to secure it. I used a washer, then I used a lock washer, and then I used another washer on top of it. I experimented with a couple different ways. Basically what I wanted to do was get a washer on the outside and a lock washer on the inside. However you figure it out, there's no exact way to do it. Use your imagination and just be creative. Whatever works good for you. But I found this way to be a little bit irritating to try to get hooked up, actually. But in the end, I just wanted it to be tight and secure, as I do a lot of off-roading and I didn't want the bumps to jar it loose. So we're tightening everything down. And this mod is purely aesthetic. It's not going to do anything for performance. I highly doubt I'll ever need it to protect my headlight lens. These bikes are pretty strong and I don't think I'll hit anything big enough to destroy the headlight lens. But it's just a cool scrambler sort of look that I was trying to achieve here. So simple mod, all about the looks. So as you can see here, I think it looks pretty cool. It's a perfect fit even though it's from the CT125. Which uses the same headlight housing as the Monkey, so whatever works on that headlight's going to work on this, and I think it works pretty good on this bike. So let me know what you think about it. Give me a comment, a like, subscribe if you liked it, and check out my other videos.